Right to information, fast appeal. Today we will discuss when, how, where and how to apply the RTI fast appeal and how to fill out the RTI fast appeal form. When will the RTI fast appeal is made? Within the stipulated time to apply for information, if the public information officer did not provide the information or provide incomplete information or provide the wrong information or did not give a written answer as to why the information was not provided, then applicant can make fast appeal within 30 days or sitting arrangements. Fast appeal can be made even after 30 days. In other words, within 40 days of applying for the information, if the public information officer did not provide the information or provide incomplete information or gave the wrong information or did not give a written answer as to why the information was not provided, then 30 days from this date or even sitting regions after 30 days, the fast appeal can be made. Where to apply? Every government office has a public information officer or a PIO. So similarly, the person who heads that office or organization is the first appellate authority for that office. If the head office of that office is located at the block or district level, then the chief officer of that office is the first appellate authority. So submit the RTI fast appeal application to him or her. How to apply? This requires applying in a prescribed form. Paste a court fee of Rs 20 on this form. Though court fees as set forth, so your case will be heard as a judicial type here. Applicant must be present at the hearing to provide his or her view or support. Where can you get the application form? This form is usually found in those who sells of various forms or in stamp vendors or magazine stores or in Xerox shops. You can get this form from there. If not, enter your WhatsApp number in the comment box and this form will be sent to you. How long will the hearing be? The fast appeal officer will hear the case within 30 days and announce his decision. He can take 45 days to hear it if necessary. The date and time of the hearing will be announced on his behalf. As stated earlier, the petitioner or applicant must be present on the day of hearing to provide his or her view or support. If the applicant is not satisfied with the decision of the first appellate officer, he or she may apply to the State Information Commission within 90 days from the date of decision or after 90 days, giving the appropriate reason. We will discuss on this in the next chapter. Now let's see how to fill out the RTI fast appeal form. This is RTI fast appeal form, form number D, where there is from applicant's name and address. Here you write down applicant's name and address. Then below serial number 1, full name of the appellant. Write here the name of the applicant. Serial number 2, address. Write down the applicant's address here. Serial number 3, particulars of public information officer. Write the name and address of the office or a public information officer to which previously applied for. Serial number 4, date of receipt of the order appealed against. Write down the date of receipt of the order or information. That means when you first applied, the last date to receive the information is 30 to 40 days from the first apply. So write down here that date. Serial number 5, last date of filing the appeal. Write down here the last date for filling out the application for fast appeal. That is, from that date, the last date of receive previous information, add 30 days on it. Write down that date here. Serial number 6. Particulars of information. Write down the details of information or what the information is about. Serial A. Nature and subject matter of the information required. Write down the type, nature and content of that information. Number B. Name of the office or department to which information related. So here write down the name and office or department in which that information relates. Number 7. Grounds for appeal. Write down what is the reason for fast appeal. If necessary, you can add another piece of paper to write in details. Then verification. I dash name of the applicant. Here you write the applicant's name. Then son or daughter or a wife of. Here you write father or husband's name. By declaring that the particulars furnished in the appeal are to be based of my knowledge and belief, true and correct, and that I have not suppressed any material fact. Then signature of the applicant sign here. Then put place and date, and below name and address of appellate authority. Here you write name and address of the first appeal officer. Fill out this application form and paste court fee of ₹20 and submit this form along with all documents to the first appellate authority. This was when, how and where to fill the RTI first appeal and how to fill out the first appeal form. How to final appeal at State Information Commission, that will be discussed in the next chapter. Thank you.